Yep. I just
Okay, cool. Yeah, sorry. I was telling them earlier, I don't have my laptop on me. It's at work. A fire broke out at the warehouse, so
oh man.
we had to leave our stuff there, and I haven't been able to get it since last night. And they're closing the site again today, so I'm gonna have to try to figure out how
That's
am I gonna
fine.
get my stuff back. But yeah, and then I was sick earlier this weekend, so I haven't been able to do much as I wanted to, but I was able to get the routing done. So when you click on the page or the hold on, what is it called? The search result. You know how when you click on the search result, it'll show up the page, kind of like a separate page with that result.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I went ahead and set that up, and there was some issues because doing it, you can't pass like a whole object, like a JSON, like a all of the data of the certain result. So what I did was I just had it put push through the name and then the ID, and then basically I just did another fetch request for that page so I can get all that data and
Mm-hmm.
put it in. So that's done. The search page is done, and there's just some cleaning up to do. But then it's back to I did the whole like the collection thingy, or at least the basic components, and now it's just basically integrating the whole getting the data and the collections from the user and whatnot, and then adding it to it.
Gotcha.
How was it Monday?
So for Monday, we ended up just it was just us like a small review of like basically what how our progress has been. He's just been asking us um like if we're getting anywhere and just making sure that he did have a look at our Git repository and just looked at our commits and whatnot. So of course we were just like what do you call it? Struggling with some of the merge conflicts and all that. So I think he just wants us to get that under control. And as far as for my progress, I would say I think I'm a little bit stuck on the photo bucket collections thingy. Like I have some code, but I'm not sure if it's like what it's there supposed to be doing is like what it's supposed to be doing, its purpose. But so because I was struggling with that, I just managed to just take some of the time and just retouch some of the homepage and just like but I think by the end of today, I think I will be able to complete the homepage, like just have it there, like completely like what do you call it? Refurbished or just touched up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and sorry. Let's go ahead and get that one done. And
Yeah.
then if the
Um
other thing is too much, then we'll just skip over that.
Yeah, I still want to try to get it done though. It's just I have this whole week I've been like not busy, but it's just like it's just I'm out of it. So I'm not losing faith, letting you guys know right now. So
Oh no, that's cool. Oof, man.
um what is it? So I think I'm trying to sign back in the Trello if you have updated anything on there by any chance, Giancarlo.
No, this whole weekend I just
Okay,
out, just
no
in bed
worries.
today. But
I'll go ahead and just try to just make some stuff up with it. Pardon me.
uh,
I got, excuse me for 1 second. Sorry. I'll be right back. Sorry.
oh, Nick,
I think he's still in the Discord, but he hasn't joined the.
let me see, let me see. Nick, can you hear me?
I don't seem to hear him.
That is weird. because I'm using. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, hello. Okay, Nick's in here now. My bad.
Yep. I didn't pay attention. We switch to Zoom. I'm still waiting in Discord.
No, that's cool. It was giving issues when I was trying to. I guess I can only use the mic on one app.
Oh,
So since it was at Zoom, I couldn't use it back at the Discord. But I was telling them that I got the search page is basically done, and then I set the routing for the what do you call that? The details page. So you know how you can. The plan was to used to get you type in a search result and then you can click on one of them. I had it set up to where when you click it, it routes to a separate page instead of like a modal or a drawer. It's a whole separate page that I'm able to. And excuse me, I wasn't able to pass the whole all of the data from it since it's too much. So what I did was I passed the name of the show or movie and the ID, the IBDM ID. And then I basically was able to do once you get to the next page, it basically fetches the results specifically for that, and then it displays all the information there.
Wow, that sounds nice.
Yeah, so that way we only have like one page, like a one file, and whatever result you click on, it uses that file as a template, and it just loads it with all the data from it.
Yeah. Did you push the latest change for that update?
I have not, because that was the most recent that I did. I want to say Friday, and then that's when I got sick, and then that's when my laptop is at work. So trying to get that thing back, hopefully by tonight, if they can at least open it up for people to get their stuff. But luckily, I don't have work today, so hopefully I can just get my stuff and then get everything pushed and cleaned up. And then I made the little component to add it to your watch list or whatnot. The only thing is just had to actually integrate it. So I was thinking of once I get that pushed and whatnot, I'll go ahead and for one of the users in their collections or watch lists thing, I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple of dummy collections just to see if I can pull that whole list.
Yes. So this week I make the profile thing work, so you can pull they will display the user information on the profile, and I also able to create a watch list and display them.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I just push my change to the test branch. You can you don't have the laptop.
No, that's good.
I can show you if I can share my screen.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
I felt so bored and useless because we left. They finally let us go around like 10 p.m. yesterday.
Yeah.
But I didn't have anything, so I just last night and then this whole morning, I'm just like, what do I do?
I'm not able. Can you give me the host, Giancarlo?
Let me see. There's a waiting room in here. Unmute. Start. Let me see. Meeting settings. Show self view. That just shows my screen. I am trying to figure this out. Is it in meeting settings?
Could it be like participants and then there's like options beside our names?
Okay. Okay, I see.
Nice, nice.
Cool. All right, you got it, Nick.
Okay.
I feel like such a boomer not being able to figure this out. Ooh, damn.
How did the fire start?
Oh, what?
How did the fire start?
The fire the fire marshals they said that apparently they it was a cigarette butt.
Wow.
Yeah, because the warehouse we work at, it's we're picking shoes and stowing them. But the thing is, these things are like 70 feet high, the aisles.
Hmm.
So we use these machines, kind of like a reverse forklift to go up and down.
Yeah.
So we have pickers and stowers. Stowers put the stuff in, pickers pick them out because those are customer orders. And then I was stuck behind this woman. She would not, because the aisles is only one way and we can only fit like one per, there's no like side by side. So she wouldn't move. And I called somebody like, hey, can you come bring somebody over here to move her? Because she's not moving. And then the fire alarm started going on. So I was like, all right, so I know you can hear this, we got to go. And then I turn around and the whole aisle was just covered in black smoke. I was like, oh shit, it's not a drill.
Whoa.
It's not a drill. So, and she couldn't get out for some reason. So we had to basically jump out of the OP and like squeeze in between to get out. And yo, that thing went by, that thing was so quick. I think they said
Dang.
we were looking at it, getting out, and there was like, I think we have like maybe 50 aisles, maybe more. I think 70. Yeah, 70 aisles. And yeah, it's just all like in like fire. Because I thought it was just smoke, like, oh, an OP was burning or something. But no, there was like flames. So we got out, and then I think nobody got hurt. I think only one person kind of had like a lot of smoke inhalation because he's part of the safety team. So he has to go like through all the aisles and make sure everybody got out. But yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Mm, Right after I merge that doesn't work.
Hmm?
It doesn't work the feature right now. I don't know why.
Oh,
Uh,
let me
what
see.
happened?
Are you sharing your screen, Nick?
Oh no. Sorry. Mm, So ideally, after I log in, it should display, but I don't know why. Right after I push it, doesn't work. Hmm.
Open, yeah. Missing or insufficient information.
Missing permission document. Why? Oh.
Okay. heavy like that sometimes.
Hmm? Why is that? Okay, there you go.
Cool.
Yeah, so the username, the member day, edit this logout button so we can lock out the Firebase authentication thing.
Nice.
And then you will go back to the sign page. Oops. Now it doesn't work again.
That is so
Something
weird.
wrong with the code that will set it back to false. Okay, I need to figure that out later, but let me display what I have for now. What else? So yeah, here's create list, and then I'll put the name, whatever list.
Oh, wow.
Funny, I don't know. Action again. Random name. Say. Okay. No. I did it like that. Yeah, it should be real time updated right here, but yeah, I need to check out what's wrong. But yeah, this is the
The
idea.
real okay, I see. That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
The real-time update, it's more of a because I had the same issue as my other project. It's kind of like the page doesn't reload. So it's there, but you kind of have to like reload the page or like do a callback that way update. Because then it had an issue where if I left the browser, to go to a different screen, and when I came back, then it reloaded. So
Yeah.
it's something with that, but yeah. Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. I wonder, so while we create a list, do we want to add an option that they can add the movie in here, or just
No, because if they do it from there, then that whole search component, we have to make a mini one straight in there. So I was thinking of like I said, I had the components ready where that way it'll pull the user's list and like a little drop down menu. You select one, and then when you click add movie or show, it'll go to that specific list for that user.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, so I just need to look at that just to see how I can pull the watch list and whatnot, and then add it to it. So let me see. How are we going to what to display? What were we thinking about adding to the cards? The
Inside,
amount of movies? Yeah, like the amount of movies or a description?
I was
What was
thinking
it?
just add the movie title, and then when the mouse hover around, and you have this little like pop-up box, like a bubble
Oh yeah.
box. So you will
Oh,
display all the detailed information, but you also can click on it and it will jump to the page that you mentioned. You will display the full
okay, I see.
detail. Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. Excuse me. Okay, that's cool. All right. Nice.
And by the way, Bradley, did you
Yeah.
started working on the avatar? If you're not, I can help with that because I think it's the same principle of the
Yeah, I think so.
watch list.
Like what you just showed. Yeah, if you don't mind, like just walking me through later today, I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course.
Because I don't know, it's just like I'm just having trouble with it, point blank.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. it's different from like a database thing since it's like a bucket.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I'm,
I
I'm
told you
just
about it,
I probably
Nick.
just need somebody to look over my code to see if what I'm doing is kind of like what it's supposed to be doing.
Yeah. Did you
Click
already
and
upload something to it?
No, so far I just tried to like I was discouraged because I wanted to get the code to work first and then I was gonna put the pictures in the Firebase cloud, but I was like too stubborn to try to get the code to work first, and I eventually didn't upload any pictures. But let me actually get on there.
Oh yeah, because remember, we're not doing the upload, we're just doing the what do you call it? The set pictures.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Just have like
So
6 presets, right?
yeah. So the presets you can go ahead and upload them because the main
Okay.
thing that the main thing that we're doing is pulling the pictures and displaying them.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so the upload is basically on our end, kind of like when you open like Netflix or Max, you know how they give you a preset
Mhm.
to select your little avatar icon or whatever. Yeah, that's basically what we're doing. So the image you can put any images you want, and then what we're doing is just displaying it and then replacing that little alien thing over there.
Heard. Okay. All right. Is it?
That's so weird though that it keeps switching.
yeah, why automatically change?
Rules playground.
Oh.
What happens if you click on develop and test on the right side?
Yeah.
Never mind, that's not it.
No.
That is weird.
Save an image to cloud storage.
See if my best friend Google can tell me the reason.
Oh,
Yep. The first time in the real one. I hear that is
the exact same one.
Minneapolis.
Okay, so it's something similar.
Yeah, so Josue, one I have in
Good.
storage.
Hmm. Did the one in ours have a condition to it?
Now what's that?
Database match document service.
Very interesting.
That is so weird.
I don't know what that means. Wow. Most of the table was
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
that case hacker to whatever you think we need to do. So that was fun. So spend 2.5 years without doing that. Six of them as a system engineer. The oldest system. 2 years ago when
What? That's a thing.
Yes now. Then I also have safety.
Can you see that?
And now we
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we see that.
Oh wow, I did not know that was a thing.
Interesting. I didn't know neither.
Cloud, Firestore.
I wonder if it changes every time someone logs out. Because I mean, I guess that makes sense. If you log out, you can't read or write. But
Yeah. Interesting is when I tested it in my own branches, it worked perfectly, but I don't know.
is this from the test branch?
Yes, right now it's the test branch.
Hmm.
I should just compare what did I change.
I forgot those were there.
Didn't pull yet.
Yeah, switch it to the test branch and then see the pull requests. Maybe that might show. Okay. Free meeting. I forgot that. So weird.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I do.
Result to the
I
main.
need to create a pull request, right? Or I just merge. Oh, I don't remember how do I do it.
If you already merged it to the test branch, right?
Yeah.
Mm,
If I merge it in the console, in the terminal, I don't have to do anything here, right?
I don't think so. Yeah. Yeah, click on that. That's the one, right?
Which one? This one?
The one on the top.
This one?
Display user info, the commit right there. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Click on that, maybe.
This one. Edit this one. Edit. Yeah. Yeah, and the on key function doesn't work on my login page yet. I'm kind of like struggle with that.
What does let me see. What the click on the header. I'm trying to figure out what those yellow things are.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, why is it showing? Oh, I guess those are just additions, maybe.
Uh,
Wait, how do I get rid of this now? Okay. That's weird. Go back to the page and then open the inspector and let's see if something changes
okay, let me
when we do it again.
allow it first.
Not a lot of free time.
Okay. I wonder if it's because I log in too many times with this account. It's detected as like a scam or something. Can try other account later.
And
Firebase missing information.
Any
Yeah.
sports
Right after I
specific
log
you
in.
know?
try making another list.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm. No. So it's the account.
Okay.
Let me try other account real quick.
I guess maybe it's not keeping the session.
Oh,
Yeah.
change it back to yes first.
Yeah. We got woodworking.
And then
Well, I really don't have any specific agenda. I know we had. Onboarding. So, in the role, like I mentioned. Just I don't know. Doing MBS, doing stuff. And then if I will. I know. And yeah, each and every. I feel like it's every year, right? That management. This year, ask for this whole.
okay, it has real time. Okay, I
Okay.
know the problem is my account. I think I log in and log out too many times. So I think Firebase detected as a risk.
Innovation
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, because I don't see any issues. Yeah, it's not popping up again, so maybe.
Yeah. Let me create something else. Yeah, the real time were two. Okay, yeah. That
Okay.
was the issue. Okay.
Hmm.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Anything. Jump in and
Okay.
anything that.
Okay. So what I'm gonna work on next is I'm gonna try to display the movie's name. I'm just like add some dummy movie name in there and try to display here and test out the function.
Okay.
I'll work on that later.
Nice, nice. And I still gotta clean that because that just looks ugly. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Yeah, that should be the bulk of it.
Mhm.
All right. Once I get my laptop, I'll push what I have, and then I'll use that and go ahead and try to see if I can get that working. For the collections, for each collection, what information is going in? Does it show on the database?
No. There's nothing yet, just the name. Wow, that's very slow.
Okay, so I think with the name, we'll go ahead and also add like an ID.
Mhm.
I don't know if it automatically puts an ID for every row, but especially an ID like the IBM movie ID. That way, when we pull from it, like let's
Yeah.
say the little pop up that you were talking about,
Yeah.
when we click on it, we'll go ahead and use that ID to get the search result and then go to that page.
Mm,
So the name and the ID minimum,
okay.
those columns.
Okay.
Thank you.
Try to work on.
Yeah, a couple, not too many of them, but yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay.